Hello, everybody out there. Welcome to my channel, Empowering Finance with Technology. My name is Arnab. In this video, we shall learn how to import data into Power Query. Whether you are working with Excel files or text files or CSV files, PDFs, databases, or even online data from websites like Wikipedia, Power Query makes it easy to import, clean, and transform your data with just a few clicks. We shall walk you through step by step how to access Power Query, import data from different sources, perform essential data cleaning tasks, and prepare your data for analysis all within Excel. By the end of this video, you will have a solid foundation to start using Power Query to automate your data workflows and boost your productivity. So without any delay, let's get started.
How to access Power Query. Open Excel. Choose a blank workbook. Click Data on the menu bar. Once you click Data, you will get the Power Query menu. Preview of data importing options. Click Get Data icon to get various file importing options. If you want to import data from text file, CSV file, from web, or from an existing Excel table, the options are available on the ribbon. Choosing from File gives you the options from importing data from Excel, text, CSV, XML, JSON, and PDF files. It also gives you the option of importing data from a folder which can contain multiple files of same type and data structure. From Database gives you the option of importing data from Microsoft databases and analysis service. If you have Azure Data Explorer, then you can directly connect using from Azure. Other sources gives you another option of importing data from table and web. It also gives you the option of connecting various other non-Microsoft databases through OBDC or OLEDB. It also allows to create blank query for advanced users. Now we shall learn how to import data from Excel files. Click Data. Click Get Data. Select from File. Select from Excel Workbook. It will open a search box. Locate the Excel file from where you want to import your data. Select the file and click Import button. A navigation window will open which will display a list of worksheets in the file. Click the worksheet from where you want to import the data. Check the data by scrolling both the vertical and horizontal bars. If the data is OK, then click Load button to import the data. After scrolling vertically, we find the file contains rows of null data which needs to be removed. This will be done through Transform procedure. Click Transform button. It takes you to Power Query Editor. Once you're in the Power Query Editor menu, select Remove Rows and then select Remove Duplicates. All the rows containing null data, except one, will be removed. To remove the single row containing the null data, click Remove Rows and then select Remove Last Row. A dialog box will open requesting number of rows. Input 1 and click OK. The last row will now be removed. Now the data is clean. We click Close and Load to load the data into Excel. Now we shall see how to import data from text files. Click Data from the menu bar to open Power Query options. Click Get Data icon and go to Text/CSV. Alternatively, you can click Text/CSV icon on the ribbon. A file search box will open. Locate your file and click it. Excel will detect the delimiter, and based on it, Excel will segregate the data in different columns. Please check the delimiter automatically chosen, and you have the option of changing it. Scroll through the data, and if you're satisfied, click the Load button to load the data into Excel.
In this demonstration, we are using Wikipedia as an example to show how Power Query can connect to a website and extract data. Wikipedia is a public and straightforward site that allows this kind of access without restrictions. However, please be aware that not all websites will allow this. Many sites have built-in protections such as logins, captchas, or anti-scraping measures that prevent tools like Power Query from accessing their content directly. If you are working with a website that has these types of protections, you may need assistance from someone with IT or web development knowledge to explore secure and appropriate ways to access the data.
Now we shall see how to import data from simple websites like Wikipedia. Click Data on the File menu to open the Power Query menu. Click Web icon on the ribbon. A dialog box will open. Provide URL of the website. Excel will connect to the website. Excel will give list of tables that can be imported. All the tables can be viewed. Click on the table you wish to import. In this case, we have chosen Table 32. Satisfy yourself with the data by scrolling through the data. If satisfied, click Load button. Data will be loaded in Excel. Importing data from PDF files. Click Data, then Get Data, and then go to From PDF and click it. Excel will open a navigation box through which find your PDF file. Click on the PDF file to establish connection. After the connection is established, Excel will display the tables containing the data. Normally, data will be in multiple tables, and so click on the Select Multiple Items. It will give you the option to select multiple tables. Select the first table to find out if the data is okay. Normally, data imported from PDF will require transformation. Click on the Transform Data button. Notice that the date and product name in the table appears merged under Date column, while the product name column is showing null value. Go to Split Column, select by delimiter. A dialog box will open. The date and the product are separated by space, so we shall select space as the delimiter. Click OK. The date column is split into two columns. Select the product name column and remove it by clicking Remove Column in the ribbon. Select the first and the second column and rename them. Select Close and Load to. A pop-up box will open. Select Only Data Connection. Click OK. Select the second table and do the necessary transformation. Ensure the table header of the second table exactly matches with the headers of the first table. Also ensure that the data structure of both the tables matches. One by one, change the column headers. After completion of the transformation, click Close and Load. Now we shall have to merge both the queries to get all the data in one table. Click Get Data and then Combine Queries and then select Append. A pop-up box will open. Select first table and the second table. Then click OK. Both the tables will be combined into one table. Close and load the query into Excel.
In this demonstration, we are connecting to a MySQL database using Power Query. This setup is relatively straightforward and is intended to help you understand the basic steps involved in establishing a database connection. However, when working with a company database, things are more complex. These systems typically have multiple layers of security, such as firewalls, user authentication, network restriction, and access permissions. Because of this, you will not be able to connect as easily as in this demonstration. To successfully connect Power Query to your company database and extract data, you will likely need assistance from your company IT department. They can help configure secure access, provide NIS, and ensures that all data handling complies with internal policies and security standards.
We are going to demonstrate how to import data from MySQL database. Click Data in the menu bar to obtain Power Query menu. Click Get Data, and from Database, go to From MySQL Database. A pop-up box will open where you have to input the server and the name of the database to open. After that, click the OK button. When connection is established, a navigation box will open which will list the tables in the database. Select any table to have a preview. You can also select multiple tables to import into Excel. Select the table you want to import, preview it by scrolling using both vertical and horizontal scroll bars, and if satisfied, click Load. The table from the database will be loaded into Excel. Here is the list of my social media accounts. Feel free to connect with me. If you find the video useful to you, please click like, subscribe to my channel, and press the bell icon to get notification as soon as a new video is uploaded. Feel free to leave your comments to improve my channel.